Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm planning to make some chocolate truffles. These are highly energizing truffles which has a good amount of protein, fiber and healthy fats. So they are a great pre-workout snack or even a mid-meal snack which is gonna keep you satisfied and avoid from any unnecessary cravings. Your kids will love them as a good dessert and you don't have to worry about the health factor because they are extremely healthy and does not contain any sugar or processed anything. So let's get started. So these are the ingredients you would need to make the chocolate truffle. So here goes some roasted almonds, de-seeded dates, peanut butter, a pinch of salt and some vanilla essence. Now grind all these ingredients into a smooth paste. So this is how the texture of the mixture should look. Now let's start shaping the truffle balls. Take some mixture and roll it in between your palms. You can shape it to any shape of your choice, but truffles are traditionally round in shape. So I'm making 3 kinds of truffles here. I'm doing this to show you guys how easy it is to make different kinds of truffles and flavors. I'm adding some dried cranberry into this mixture and I'm going to combine it thoroughly before I shape them into truffle balls. You can be more creative and add any other nut or dry fruit of your choice or even chocolate chips and make it more interesting. And if you like some double chocolate truffles, you can add 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Here I've used unsweetened cocoa powder and combine them thoroughly and shape them into round truffle balls. So our base of the chocolate truffles are ready. Now let's work with the chocolate. So the chocolate I've used here are 75% dark chocolate. So you can use any dark chocolate you want and any percentage of dark chocolate. And if you are okay with making chocolate with a little more sugar in it, then you can go ahead with compound chocolates which are available in the market, and you can buy Morte. It's a very good brand. They have good quality chocolates which are easy to mold and you will get a really good shape while making these chocolates. But if you're planning for a healthier version, I think you should stick to a darker chocolate and it is really yummy, so you don't have to worry about that. Let's start tempering the chocolate. First, you need to keep 20% of the chocolate away from the rest of the chocolate for the tempering. Now I'm going to microwave the chocolate for 30 seconds. As you can see, the chocolate is still not melted. I microwaved it for another 30 seconds and this is how it looks. There are a few more pieces that needs to be melted. I've kept it for another 30 seconds and this is how my chocolate looks now. Keep whisking until all the chocolate pieces are melted and then add the rest of the chocolate which we kept aside for tempering. This process will help in bringing down the temperature of the chocolate, which will help us mold the chocolate. This process is called tempering. As you can see, all the chocolate pieces I've added is melted and this is how our tempered chocolate should look. Now I'm adding the truffle balls into this melted chocolate and I'm going to cover it completely. Please make sure that you use a fork as this will help us to remove any excess chocolate sticking to the truffle balls. Make sure that you tap them thoroughly and remove all the excess chocolate from the chocolate truffle and then place them on a parchment paper. Now refrigerate them for at least 10 minutes before we do the next coating. As you can see, the chocolates are already set. Now let's add them again into the tempered chocolate and coat them once more. This will help us to have a thicker outer coating of chocolate. Now this will go again into the refrigerator for another 10 to 15 minutes or until it's set. As you can see, my chocolate truffles are ready and this is my plain chocolate truffle and this is my double chocolate truffle and This is our cranberry chocolate truffle. About storing these truffles, make sure that you store them in an airtight container, and if you are from a very hotter region, it's better to store them inside your refrigerator, and if you are from a cooler place, you can just leave it outdoors. It lasts at least for a week outside, but make sure that you put them inside an airtight container. So hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and please make sure that you try this recipe as it's extremely easy than buying any store-bought chocolate truffle, and they are really yummy. So I hope you guys will try it. Until the next video, take care and bye-bye.